The S&P 500 is down 10% officially. Technically, that's what we call a correction. What this means is right from the beginning of last year, the S&P has dropped by at least 10% from its high. And I'm going to walk you down to show what this means in terms of the technical analysis and also a bit of fundamental analysis. And also, like, share with you most of the stocks that have been really driving this sell-off and also some strategies that I'm using to mitigate or to protect my portfolio from this drawdown. Now, those who don't know, the S&P 500 is basically, you are looking at the top 500 publicly listed companies in the US, and these are the Apples, Microsoft, Tesla, that come from different sectors in the US.